Hey everybody, in this video we're installing a vanity on site today. We're going to share with you a couple cool tips and tricks that are going to help your next install be a breeze. We loved how this install turned out and we're excited for you guys to see it. Stay tuned and enjoy the video.
Remember, when you subscribe to our channel, click on the red subscribe button and be sure to ring the bell so you get notified every time we have a new video. Thanks again.
Hey guys, Mitch here with Stone Coat Countertops. In this video, we're going to show you how to install a double bowl vanity on site. Let's do this. Step 1, install buildup strips. What you're going to use to secure the countertop to the vanity, we use in this case 3/4 inch plywood. We've pre-installed 1.25 inch screws. That's what we're going to use to locate the countertop to the cabinetry. It's time to install the countertop. Place it on your build-up strips and screw it in. Let's get the backsplash. The dry fit went really well, fits great. We're going to use those screws and locate this top down to that build-up strips we installed. All right guys, time to install the backsplash. Dry fit it first, then use 100% silicone to glue it to the wall. When caulking where the backsplash meets the wall, we like to use paint grade latex caulking. Pro tip, after you've caulked out many countertop jobs, what makes quick cleanup, a wet tile sponge right on top of that latex caulking, cleaned up in seconds.
Hey, real quick guys, if you'd like to learn how to replicate Carrara Marble like we did on this vanity top, check out the step-by-step PDF we have on our website. It'll make short work of your next countertop project. All right, you got this, back to the video.
When using silicone, we like to tape off that joint real tight first with blue, easy release tape. It makes for very easy cleanup. Where the backsplash meets the countertop, you want to use 100% silicone. Pro tip, real small tip on your silicone when you're cutting that. Silicone, a little bit goes a long way. Use your finger, wipe off the excess, then quickly peel that tape. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you learned a little bit on how to install on site. What did you think about that matte finish? Let us know in the comments below. What I really loved about this job is how closely we matched those real Carrara Marble mirror frames to that countertop. It was spot on. Visit us anytime at stonecoatcountertops.com. Call for free project support. And until the next video from Stone Coat Countertops, you got this.
Howdy y'all, we hope you enjoyed this here video we done made for you. If you're interested in learning how we color coded this vanity or how we honed it, check out the videos over yonder. They're going to fix you up quite nicely with all the necessary tips and tricks to epoxy your countertops like a pro. We'll see ya.